listen out for your color. Welcome aboard. Flight crew gold. Over here, gold.
Anything that flashes.
Yeah, the monsters.
Oh, yeah.
Welcome, my friends. Right this way. Nothing to be afraid of. Yet, just kidding. You're back. I did not think I would see you again after the incident. You're braver than I thought. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of Coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we always say here at Onaka Transport Solutions, get out of here and go make handle some money.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados.
Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. Good job, engineer. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left.
Oh no.
Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down. Well done, sir. Fly.
Oh my god! Who's driving?
Pilot, hit the
Jackson! What do you mean? That was all you! That was all lateral movement! Let's go, make some money! Yeah. Oh. Is that Coaxium?
Yes, keep shooting.
Shoot that train!
They've locked onto us. Take evasive action.
Oh, the train, Bert! The train! No! The train! We lost the Coaxium. It's right there!
There it is. After that
We
train.
don't want to keep it.
Flight engineers, fire the harpoon.
Right, Jackson! Right!
Right, cargo free. Left pilot.
Oh my god!
Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay. It's much worse.
Overdrive! Overdrive! Oh!
Yes!
John!
You got one! Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, gravity Coaxium.
Alright, let's go!
You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of Coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers,
Perfect!
the
Jackson, that's all you!
Behind it! Gunners, shoot the train.
This is perfect! Come on!
Repeat,
Come on! Do it! Come on! Let's go!
Yes! We got the Coaxium!
Go!
I will grab it! You keep up to the train!
Follow the train! Go! Go train! Oh no! Who is that? It's the first order! Oh god! Left, Jackson! Right!
Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry!
Let's go! Oh my gosh.
Is collapsing!
Oh no!
Pilot, hit the booster!
Left! Right! Boosters! Up!
Oh, let's get out of here!
Go! Yeah! Oh no. Steer! Steer the ship! Left! Oh! Right! Oh! Oh!
Containers greatly help the resistance. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
Pretty good, pretty good.
Let's go.
All right, damage report. Engine failure. All right. Hyperdrive leak. That is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures. Well, it could be worse. Life support failure. That okay. All right, I am making an example.
Thank you.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay. This thing has seen better days. Better fix all that before the Wookiee sees it.